We are here on the beautiful Wishbone Lake in Alaska, enjoying some off-road time in our side-by-side, this Kawasaki Teryx 4. And I want to share with you one of the most recent modifications we just made to it, one of the best modifications so far, and that is an MT4300 soundbar. This soundbar took me about 25 minutes to install. MT4300, which they also have other options, MT41, MT42, and MT4300, comes with this bracket system. There's a railing on top of the unit that you're able to bolt your bracket to. The mounting system is super simple. Let me just show you here. So it has this rail on top. You see this rail will actually slide out of the unit. But you want to get that rail centered up in the position it's going to work best. You put your bolt in there with a washer. And when you tighten this up, so you want to make sure it's kind of squared in. That looks good. When you tighten this up, it tightens both the rail and it tightens the bracket. We'll just get these installed on each end. Your installation will vary depending on your ATV setup. It is made of some super solid components for sure. So what you want to do is get those rubber pieces in there. There it is. Now we're just going to tighten them all up. So we're going to hook up into here. It's going to get our plug to here, and that's going to allow the MT4300 to be powered up off the auxiliary battery. Comes with a remote. It works on Bluetooth as well as auxiliary. It has an output if you want to put it out to a subwoofer or something. Has a USB in if you want to use a type of device like that. The remote that you'll see down here in the console is all encompassing. It allows you to adjust the lights, the equalizer, the volume, and the input modes all from that simple little remote, or you can do it from your phone when you're in Bluetooth. Come around here, the other side I'll also show you. It has a manual pad on it in the event you're not using the remote. Super cool. You can actually see it right here. It's currently playing on Bluetooth. That is your manual control. You can see how it's mounted up there. It goes right on the soundbar. Really easy. Plugs right into a 12-volt accessory outlet like a cigarette lighter plug. It even comes with a hardwire plug kit that you can use to hardwire it into your battery or some other area. Let me see if I can turn up the sound a little bit here and let you see the light show that it puts on. You can adjust this light show, make it go faster, slower, change the colors in it. Turn it off altogether if you don't want it, but that's really neat. Adds a little bit of entertainment to your music while you're listening. So let's hop out of here. That thing gets really loud. The volume goes from volume 0 up to volume 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review of this MT4300. It is really a fantastic system. Everything in the box, ready to go. 25 minutes of your time, and you are jamming out to some incredible music while you're out in the wild nature. I will catch you guys on the next one. We're going to go enjoy this lake and enjoy a little bit more off-roading. We'll see you later. Kawasaki Teryx. My Apple device, and as soon as the song starts playing, there you go. Yep. That's the way to do it. Just try not to drop your wrench like that. I hope you enjoyed this review of this 4300. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review of this MT 4300.